hopefully it stays. Hopefully. But we're on our way to a car meet. Hopefully all's well. It's like my first time out here, so hopefully not too crazy. Wait, that just said hopefully not too crazy. Hopefully a little something crazy, you feel me? But y'all pray for me, bro. I came out here and like I ran over a nail or like a little screw, but I don't think it was deep enough to puncture the thing. But by tomorrow I'm gonna try and like go and like get it looked at, like examined. But nonetheless, hopefully like all is well, you feel me? I probably can't do as much crazy stuff as I would, but I'll try to get a little content for y'all. But how's your guys' days going? I know it's been a minute since I dropped. 3 months ago, I think it was, whenever I dropped. So I'm gonna try to like make this short and simple. I'm gonna just go over there, see what I see. I'm probably a little late because, you know, they say, I think they said it was 8. Damn, is it really worth going? But it says like 8 to 11. And I'm literally gonna be there at like 10. It's like a whole hour after? Well, who knows? Who knows? So I guess if I see anything, I'll play it.
Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
Bro, what does car want right here, bro? What is this? A Kia? It's an SUV too. They don't want no smoke. They don't want no smoke. What they doing? Coming up on me like that. What's wrong with you? I'm just scared to push it because that freaking screw. That screw ruined my whole day. It ruined my whole day. They're probably like, what the hell? I just want to make sure that we're recording. I honestly don't think that this thing is charging. Is it not charging? Is it not gonna charge while I'm recording? That is so gay. Bro, it's not gonna charge my thing unless I'm not recording. So you know what, I'm gonna let it charge as much as I can until I get there, and then I'm gonna pick it up back up, because if I'm already on like 36 battery and I need this thing to be full. So I might just catch you guys. Bro, the Altima? Hold on. Why they both try me right now? Why they both try me right now? Why they both trying me right now? Hold on. I was just about to put the camera down too. Why they trying me like that, man? They ain't nothing too crazy, but like I said, I'm gonna put the camera down and just like let it charge until I get to the meet, because I need this thing fully charged, you know what I mean? Alright, chat. I believe I'm here. You know. I think this little plaza right here. Yep, I see it. I see it. I gotta go do a U-turn somewhere. Oh my god. Yo. I don't know where the f I'm going. The person behind me just fucking followed me, bro. That was a cop. That was a f***ing cop, gang. Alright, I'm about to do a whole U-turn right here. I don't know if you're allowed to. I don't know if you can, but we're going to today. I don't even know how you enter in that spot, though. It's like... Bro, if you could turn any slower, gang. I don't even know how to get in. Honestly, I think enter this way right here. Or both ways, honestly. Okay, little meat. Alright, bro, let's go this way. I look like a dumbass right now, gang. Hold on. What the meat at, man? Better park up. Look a little dead. Look a little dead. Should I even go? Look a little dead. Oi. Where the hell am I gonna park at? We got cars leaving. Let's see what's out here. Nice little meat. Late to the party. Yeah. I see one TRD, motorcycles. What that is? A BMW? Bro, let's go on IG. Lake Wells. Let's see. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't all that I see is a TRD. The motorcycle. I don't know what the hell that is over there, bro. But I don't even think there's anything popping out, bro. I don't even think there's any more cars. Came a little too late. Silent way home, chat. The thing is, I'm not even in my hometown. Reply to your no late line. Man, I'm about to just say and go home. But I'm gonna turn the camera off, chat, and record whenever I'm back on the highway to close it out, unless I find something interesting. You feel me? If I don't find nothing interesting, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tune in. I got more videos I gotta edit and stuff like that and publish. But yeah, I need to start being more on time on the meets, bro. I need to start being late on the meets. But peace out, man.
I like blue strips. No, I'm not talking about no American flag. If I want you gone, all I gotta do is drop a bag. I demand my respect. Before you talk to me, you gotta get checked.